Let's make letter F. Letter F, letter F. Let's make letter F. Letter F says f, f, f. Letter F says F is for fish. Fish. F is for frog. Frog. F is for fox. Fox. Letter F, letter F. Let's make letter F.